The world's most bizarre phobias. We probably all suffer from a minor phobia or two, but some people's lives are virtually debilitated by their fears. This list looks at some of the most unusual phobias that afflict people in modern days. If you suffer from any of these phobias, watch out. Fear of crossing the street. These people have a fear of crossing streets, highways, and other thoroughfares, or a fear of thoroughfares themselves. This, of course, makes it very difficult to live comfortably in a city. The phobia covers several categories, wherein sufferers may fear wide roads, specifically down to suburban single-lane streets, and can also include fearing jaywalking or crossing anywhere on a street, even a designated intersection. This phobia is considered independent from the fear of cars. Fear of dolls. This phobia is the fear of not just scary dolls, all dolls. Strictly speaking, the fear is a horror of a false representation of sentient beings, so it also usually includes robots and mannequins, which can make it decidedly difficult to go shopping. Fear of dinner conversation. Now, admittedly, some dinner conversations can be very awkward, but some people are so terrified of the idea of speaking to another person over dinner that they avoid dining out situations. Fear of mirrors. This is a fear of mirrors in the broad sense, or more specifically, the fear of being put into contact with the spiritual world through a mirror. Sufferers experience undue anxiety even though they realize their fear is irrational. Fear of demons. This is an abnormal and persistent fear of evil supernatural beings in persons who believe such beings exist and roam freely to cause harm. Those who suffer from this phobia realize their fear is excessive or irrational. Nevertheless, they become unduly anxious when discussing demons, when venturing alone into woods or a dark house, or when watching films about demonic possession and exorcism. Fear of mother-in-law. Of all the phobias on this list, this one is probably the most common. It is, as stated above, the fear of one's mother-in-law. Most married people have, at one time or another, suffered from this terrible fear. This fear is one that is so common in Western society that it frequently appears in movies and other forms of entertainment. Fear of sitting. This is a terror of sitting down. This disorder can be sparked off by a particularly nasty case of hemorrhoids, but in some serious cases, it can be due to physical abuse relating to sitting on sharp or painful objects. Sometimes the sitting fear is due to some punishment in the school days, or it may be an indication of some other phobia like sitting in front of elite and influential people. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.